Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I'll teach you how to make infinity in Infinite Craft. So in order to do that, let's put in here water, and on this water, let's add fire. Now we have here steam. So let's add fire to that steam. Now we have engine. Now let's add another engine to that. Now we have rocket. So for this rocket, let's add in here another rocket. Now we have satellite. So for the satellite right here, let's head over and add in here water. Let's put that below. Let's add in here another water. Now we have lake. So for that lake right here, let's add that to the satellite. Now we have Google. So since we already have that, next thing we need to do is add another Google to that. Now we have Googleplex. So for this, let's add fire to that. Now we have infinity. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below, and we will try our best to answer. If you also want us to feature some topics, comment them as well. See you soon!